Is there life after death? It's a question that, one way or another, almost everyone faces. At some point, late at night, or in the quiet after a funeral, or when looking up at the stars, the thought arises. What happens to us after we die? Is this consciousness, this mind, just a temporary spark, soon to flicker out for good? Or is there some undiscovered persistence, something that continues in some form somewhere? Humans have been pondering this since the dawn of time. Ancient Egyptians filled tombs with food, treasures, and elaborate instructions for the soul's journey, convinced that existence marched on after the body failed. The Greeks spoke of the underworld. The Vikings of Valhalla. Nearly every culture, old or new, has their own answer. Reincarnation, resurrection, becoming one with the universe, or simply nothingness. Religions across the globe have built entire doctrines on the question. Christianity holds to the idea of heaven and hell, a forever afterlife, where actions in this world ripple through eternity. Hinduism and Buddhism propose the endless cycle of death and rebirth, a wheel spun by karma until at last one is released. For many, these beliefs offer comfort, a sense of meaning, and a way to handle the idea of mortality. But what does science have to say? Strip away the stories, the rituals, the myths. Look at the world empirically. The prevailing view among biologists and neuroscientists is that our consciousness, our sense of self, emerges from the physical brain. When that brain dies, so does the mind. To science, death is mostly a biological process. Cells stop working, organs shut down, and neural activity ceases. From this perspective, that's the end of the story. And yet, even among scientists, the question isn't entirely closed. We don't actually know what consciousness is. How do electrical patterns in gray matter create dreams, fears, memories, laughter? If that's still a mystery, could there be more to us than we currently understand? Still, for all the theories and beliefs, the truth is that no one really knows. Every idea, religious, scientific, or deeply personal, is a best guess, an answer to a riddle that may not be solvable from inside the puzzle itself. But in some way, the question is as important as any answer could be. It shapes cultures, art, ethics, and everyday choices. It's there, at the edge of our decisions, our grief, and our wonders. Maybe the meaning is in the asking. So, is there life after death? We may never have a definitive answer, at least not one that can be proven here and now. But perhaps the mystery itself teaches us something, to appreciate the time we do have, to seek meaning with the days we're given, and to treat each other's stories with a bit more reverence. Whatever awaits at the end, when we turn the last page, perhaps the best we can do is to live fully in the chapters we're in now.